Hello everyone, my name is Florence Martinez. For today, let's topic about cybercrime. What is cybercrime? How does it affect the online community? And how do you prevent cybercrime? What is cybercrime? Cybercrime, a constantly evolving threats in the digital age, encompasses a broad spectrum of illicit activities conducted through the use of computers or the internet. These activities range from the unauthorized access of sensitive data and financial information to elaborate scams that deceive individuals or business to in financial gain. Moreover, cybercrimes often employ sophisticated techniques to compromise system security, leading to the disruption, alteration, or complete destruction of digital infrastructures. In essence, cybercrimes act as a perceived danger that not only impacts individuals and organizations but also raises significant concern regarding data privacy, online trust, and technological vulnerabilities in society. Common form of cybercrime. Number 1. Identity theft. When someone takes your name and personal information. Number 2. Malware. Malware, short for malicious software to steal data and damage or destroy computer and computer system. Number 3. Ransomware. A type of malware that locks and encrypts a victim's data, files, devices, or system. Number 4. Online scams. A deceptive scheme that aims to trick people into giving away personal or financial information or to steal money. How it affects the online community. Cybercrimes hold a substantial influence in the online community, manifesting in various detrimental ways. It not only results in financial losses and reputation destruction, but also shatter the trust that people have in online interactions. This breach of trust paved the way for identity theft, disrupts essential service, and inflicts psychological distress on victims. The repercussions resonate beyond individual harm, contributing to an environment of insecurity and unreliability online, impacting users globally. As a result, the need for enhanced cybersecurity measures grows, creating a crucial demand for collective efforts to safeguard against these perceived threats. How can you prevent cybercrime? One effective way to protect yourself against cybercrime is to make sure that your passwords are complex and unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Another crucial step is to regularly update your software to patch any vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals. Furthermore, it's important to exercise caution when sharing personal information on social media platforms, as this data could be used by malicious actors to perpetrate online attacks. By following these security measures diligently, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victims to cybercrime and safeguard your digital presence. Conclusion. Cybercrime, which encompasses a variety of malicious activities conducted in the digital realm, poses a significant and escalating threat that can result in devastating and long-lasting repercussions for those targeted, from identity theft to financial fraud and data breaches. Individuals and organizations alike are vulnerable to the harmful impact of cybercrime. The loss of personal information, financial security, and confidential data can have far-reaching reaching consequences that might not be easily remediated. Therefore, it's crucial for individuals and business to implement robust cybersecurity measures and remain vigilant in safeguarding against the ever evolving landscape of online threats. Do you have any further more questions? Let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name is Florence Martinez and thank you for watching everyone. See you for the next video.